These are carrot seeds. This is an umbule. It carries hundreds, thousands of seeds, each pollinated by insects. And we just rub these seeds out. You don't have to be too careful. So the top part will catch all the big sticks. The middle screen will catch the seeds. And the low screen will catch the small shaft. When we further clean the seeds, we'll be using the middle screen. So you also have to clean the barbs off the carrot seed. Those little spiky things on them. And I normally use a machine to get the barbs off, but today we're just gonna rub them off in our hand. And it doesn't hurt. So you can see the barbs are off. So this is the unclean seed, and we're gonna throw this through our winnow wizard and get a lot of the shaft and the barbs and the sticks out. The way the winnow wizard works, or any winnowing works, is separating the debris from the seed. So it just cleans the seed falls down, and the shaft, the lighter material, blows away.